Do you have crappy bonding on your teeth? If you don't, then you don't know what I'm talking about. But if you do have crappy bonding, you know what I'm talking about. So let's look at this case up here. See, like the filling in between the two teeth, but someone had a space there, and some dentist was like, "Yeah, I can do that. Sure." And then, beep, 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 ta-da! It looks crappy. Nice. See you later. Yeah, that happens sometimes. But I can make it better. So we removed all that. I used the Bioclear Method, composite veneers, and look at this x-ray. I know you don't know what x-rays look like, but look at it anyway, okay? Do you see on the one how like it's all ledgy and crappy looking? Well, food gets caught in there. It causes cavities, causes gum inflammation. So I remove all that. And with the Bioclear Method, not only does it look better, but it's way smoother. Just look at it. You don't have to be a dentist. It looks like it's part of the tooth, right? You can floss in there. You can brush in there. It just is way better. So if you have crappy bonding and you want it to be fixed, I can probably fix it for you. So yeah, there's that.